So today we're gonna draw Chewbacca and Ewok from Star Wars, okay? So first, now we start learning how to spell words and names. So we're gonna start spelling these characters' name, okay? So Chewbacca starts with C.
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 H.
H.
E.
E.
W.
W.
So this is chew. Like when you're trying to eat something, you chew the food. This is chew, okay?
Baka.
Baka, I will spell that for you. Can you do uppercase E, please? Thank you. Okay. Baka is B.
B.
A. C. C. A. Okay.
That's a really long name.
Chewbacca. That's why his friends call him Chewy. Okay, Chewy is shorter, right? C-H-E-W-I-E is Chewy.
9 letters.
Yeah, that's a long name. Almost as long as yours, right? Your name can be long too.
Longer than my name.
Actually, it's the same. Okay, so let's start with his eyes, okay? So we're gonna start from here, near the middle on top, okay? How many letters do you have in your name?
9.
Yeah, same as Chewbacca. Okay, so here in the middle, I'm gonna draw his eye. Watch what I'm drawing in the sides, okay? Okay, circle, okay? And to the right, circle. All right. His nose is an oval, about half the size of his eyes, okay? So over here, in the middle. Good job, okay. And now I'm gonna draw his head, okay? So
His head looks furry.
his head look furry? Yeah. I'm gonna show you how to draw the fur. So top is actually round. Okay, so we're gonna go down to his eye. So top is round, okay? Rounded like that. Excuse me. The furry part is on the bottom. So we're gonna go down here, past his nose. Okay, watch. Past his nose. Okay, and then it's gonna be a pointy triangle. Okay. And then the next one, we're gonna go down a little bit lower, and then another pointy triangle. And then another one, and then another one. And then we'll do the same on this side. We'll come down from here, so near the same height. So over here, you gotta watch this. Okay, watch carefully. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going down to the left. Down, yeah. Keep going. You can do one more. 3. Keep going. Okay. All right. And then we're gonna draw his mouth, his face here. So on the top of the nose, Charlotte, look. Top of the nose, and curve down to here. Top of the nose, so curve down to here. Good.
This is new.
Well, you've never drawn a Chewy before, so yes, it's new.
Chewbacca.
Yeah, short for Chewy.
Chewbacca.
So his mouth is open pretty big. He's kind of angry at the stormtroopers. It's an upside down jelly bean, okay? Yeah. Okay, and then we're going to 4 teeth. 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, because he's yelling right now. Okay?
Why is he yelling?
Because the stormtroopers are shooting at him, so he's not happy. And then now we're gonna, we're gonna do the little circle in his eye. So the circle is gonna be white, and the rest is black, okay? Do a small circle, okay. We're gonna draw his facial hair, so hair on his face. Okay, watch. It's gonna go across the top. I'm gonna do zigzags across the top. Watch.
Okay, I can do that.
Okay, no, watch. So 1, 2, and then this is gonna go up, okay? 3, 4, and then we're gonna go 5, and go to 6. Reconnect those, make them pointy. There you go. And just connect that to that. Yeah, not so big, smaller.
Make them pointy.
Yeah, you see
Really
how mine
pointy.
you see how mine's pointy but not that big? You see this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay. Alright, now we're gonna draw his arms. So his arms also hairy, okay? So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3. Okay, hairy arm.
1,
Not too big.
2,
Okay.
3.
Okay, not too big, or you need room for his legs. And same thing on the right. We're gonna do 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. And then in the middle, we're gonna draw his body. Okay. So here, down here, down here. So watch. Draw a straight line here. Okay. And then on this side, we're gonna draw his hand. His hand is in the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 fingers.
1, 2, 3.
His arm. Okay. Okay. And I'm gonna draw his leg here. Yeah, you ran out. Just keep going.
It's okay.
Okay, same thing on this side. He's got some hair on the bottom of his leg. We do some zigzags here.
That's his feet?
No, it's not his feet. I'm gonna show you how to draw his feet, okay? Just do the zigzag first. That's his fur, okay? And we're gonna draw up here, then up here. A little bit higher. Okay, that's too short. Okay, need some longer legs, okay? Go up higher. Okay. Alright. So, his feet. Here, I'm gonna draw his feet. His feet is 3 bumps underneath that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay?
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, not so big.
1, 2.
It's kind of big. Okay, and he always wears a utility belt here. So it goes here.
What utility belt?
He has some special tools in there, okay? So we're gonna draw this.
A belt with the tools?
It's a shoulder belt. So draw that, yep. And we're gonna draw some rectangles on there. That's where he puts all his gadgets. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. Okay? And then his, I'm gonna do his other hand here. Right here is just kind of small. Okay, it's on the back here. So just draw a small hand there. Okay. Alright, so that's Chewy.
I have room for fingers.
Okay.
So I can do fingers.
Alright, go ahead.
1, 2, 3, 4. If you have small things, you draw small
Okay,
stuff.
so now we're going to draw Ewok. So that's Chewbacca. We'll color him. Ewok. Let's spell first. E.
E.
W.
W.
O.
O.
K.
K. Ewok.
Ewok. Okay,
Walk.
so first, we're in the middle of your page. We're going to draw 2 eyes just like Chewbacca. Okay, 2 round eyes. Have some space between them, please. Look at the space I have, okay? Okay, good.
Pretty far.
We're gonna draw his mouth. So under the 2 eyes, we're gonna draw the mouth here in the middle. Okay? Very good. And he has a very small nose on top. So we're gonna do a small oval on that. That's his nose, okay? Oval, not circle, okay? Oval. Yeah, it's long. Very good. And then a small line in the middle of this oval, that's his mouth. Very small. Ewoks are very short, okay? They're the same height as you. Now we're gonna do his face. And how we're gonna do this is we're gonna draw the left side and the right side. So watch. So here's the left side, okay? Here's the right side. To curve, okay? Alright, here's a ziggy-zaggy part, okay? So watch. It's kind of like Chewy's, but the zigs are very small because they're short, okay? So watch. Do very small. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see how it's very, very small? This is very big.
I can do this smaller than that.
No, don't do smaller. Do the same size. If you do smaller, you can't see. No, see that's okay. That's too small. Okay.
Sometimes my pencil get confused, so it zigzags.
So this is gonna go to the right on the bottom here. Okay. It's like a wave on the ocean. Okay, alright.
My friends will get confused of those wigs. They like to do
Okay, and then we're gonna draw the rest of his head. Okay, this is kind of curved, just like Chewie's head. Okay, so we're gonna go to the right. And then we'll stop at the bottom, and then we'll go to the left. Okay, and then this part, they wear like a hood outfit, so this is gonna come down here. Okay, stop, don't go too far. And then it's gonna curve in a little bit here. And then we're gonna connect it to this side. Okay, it's slanted. Alright. And then now we're gonna draw his body. So we're gonna start on the right here. Very short body, so it's slightly curved. Here's his foot. Okay. Now I'll draw a little bit curved. Okay. And then it's gonna come up. On your mouth, from the mouth straight down here, that's where you're gonna connect the foot, okay? Yes. So from here, we're gonna draw one line for his tummy, okay? Like this. Okay, okay. And then the other foot is over here. Okay. And then we will come down here from shirt. Okay. Couple toes there. Okay. And then we'll add the toes on this side too. Two curved lines. Curve. Yep, okay. And then we're gonna add the arm. So here's the...
I think I know what kind of walk we're drawing.
So here's the arm and his hand, okay? Okay. And his other hand, we're gonna draw, he's holding his spear, his weapon, okay? So we're gonna draw
a stick.
A stick. So we're gonna draw the line like this. And then we're gonna draw the hand, which is a circle. Okay, circle. With
and more like an oval.
Oval, okay. So draw the oval. Okay. A couple fingers on there, please. Okay. And then we're gonna draw the back of the hand, the arm. So connect it like that. And then we're gonna draw the stick. The stick's gonna go up. So it's as tall as him. Stick is gonna go up. And it comes down to his foot, okay? To his foot. I'm gonna connect it. Disconnect the, okay? And then here, this is kind of funny. I'm gonna draw a bunch of small ovals. They're all gonna stack up. So I'm gonna draw 5 of them. 4, 5. Okay, and then we're gonna draw the pointy spear. 5. Okay, very good. Okay, watch. We're gonna draw pointing out, and then we're gonna connect the middle. Okay, the pointy diamond. Okay. We forgot his ears. Let's draw his ears.
We did Chewbacca's ears?
Chewbacca's ear is in the fur. Can't see it. So this is gonna be a curve, and then there was a zig. Okay, zig, zig, and zig. And then the same thing on the inside. Just follow the outside. Okay, the same thing on this side. It's on the corner of his head. Okay. Okay. Chewbacca and Ewok. Now we're gonna color.